our regional director at the Hidden Genius Project. Today is our Tech Slam, where we are working with young people in London in partnership with Chelsea Foundation to create tech exposure opportunities. Today we are creating spaces for our young people here to get to know the different companies, roles, careers, pathways for them to learn about what they can do once they build their technology skills.
We're at a little tech slam. We've been having rotating activities. The Hidden Genius Project had 2 activities. We had a beginner's coding activity involving something called Scratch, basic block code. And then we also had a robotics activity.
Since we're here with Chelsea, we want to break down their game from this past weekend. We kind of wanted to teach kids a tool called Sports Code that's used by all premier clubs in terms of analytics. Kind of teach them that there's a way to connect their passion for sports and also their passion for technology.
Hi, my name is Erin Gray. I am the founder of Girls Equity Movement, which is a subgroup of Oakland Natives Give Back. After today, I hope that they learn a little bit more about the entrepreneurial mindset and skill set, how to use creativity to solve a problem, and how to take an idea and turn it into a business.
The work that this group is doing is absolutely incredible. I wish you could all be here to understand the impact that this group is having on these young people.